We are trying to figure out how much greater is the average of S than T. So I have to find the average. I also know that the least integer in S is 7 more than the least integer in T. So that would be T plus 7. We'll see if we'll use that in a little bit. So S is odd. And if you add two to an odd number, you get the next odd. So I've listed out 10 odd numbers, and I want to find the sum of those. So that would be 10s, because I'm going to have 10 s's. Plus, I added my numbers up, and the way I did that, I said 4 plus 6 is 10, and then I did 14 plus 16 is 30, and I just kept on adding the easy numbers where I would get a multiple of 10, and that sum was 90. So 10s plus 90 and divide by 10 is the average. And now divide each term by 10 and you get S plus 9. That's the average of S. And then T, this will be 5T, sum the digits, plus 8 plus 2 is 10, and then that's going to give you 20. And that's it. That's all I've got. 5T plus 20 divided by 5. Simplify, that's going to be T plus 4. So S plus 9 is the average of S. And if I subtract off the average of T, which is T plus 4, that will give me the difference. And that will tell me how much greater S average is than T. Now we know another name for S is T plus 7. So that's T plus 7 plus a 9 minus a T minus a 4. The T's cancel. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12.